So one of the things that I use this blower for, and it's like super convenient, is for filters that are in my vacuum cleaner. So I have a wood pellet stove and I clean up a lot of fine powdery ash which really clogs the filter. So to keep the vacuum cleaner efficient and from getting clogged, I take it out with one of these and I blow it out. So let's take a look at the usefulness and the benefit of having all these different power levels as while cleaning your filter. Here's my vacuum cleaner and let's open it up. So here's my filter. It's quite dirty with fine ash. So let's clean it up. So let's see how it goes. That's the low setting. Next setting. Next setting. And top setting. So now, I don't know if you can see, but it's way cleaner than it was before, and now my vacuum cleaner is more efficient. So let's clean out the body of the vacuum cleaner. So here's the body of the vacuum cleaner, and we're gonna get our lights on, and we're gonna go with first setting. So super clean now, and this is just one of many reasons why I use these around the house. I could blow debris out the garage floor rather than sweep, throw it out the garage, dust. I could clean the air filters of the car, cabin filter, under the hood,